Teddy Nean's bakehouse. I used to do mostly bread, and off a Friday night after they'd been paid, there was a right old card school used to go on in there all night, because it would be open most of the night, see, baking bread, and they all used to get in there after the pub shut and playing cards, and then every now and again the police would raid them. Yeah, and Teddy had the shop up Christian Street, and he used to have a football coupon, and with all the English football teams on, and at the bottom there was a short list of 5 matches, and the great thing was top, middle and bottom on Eddie's, whether the people would put down 3 draws or home way away, and if there was 3 draws it would cost them a fortune, because everybody would have 3 X's down, top, middle and bottom. That was a great saying around the time, top, middle and bottom. And then the police would raid the shop every now and again, and they'd always get the tip off. And I remember Audrey, the daughter, telling me that she heard this particular day somebody come in and said the police are coming up, and she said, I didn't know what to do, so I got all this coupons and the money all out of the till, special till in the counter, and brought it in, put it under the piano, lifted the piano lid up, put all this lot all in under there, and when the police come in I was sitting on it, and she said that they went all over the place opening this, that and the other, and she said not once did they ask me to stand up and open the piano lid up. And there's lots of yarns about Teddy Nean. Yeah, he was a great character. Yeah.